As you see, I got baby hairs, girl. Get into that. Get into my baby hairs, bruh. Get into my baby hairs. Hey, what's up, what's up? So I'm back with another video. This is a review of shampoo and conditioner. As you saw, I got it for sale, for the cheap. We praise God for discounts. So for the shampoo, I really like that the shampoo was, I could feel that it was cleaning my hair. Like I could physically feel that it was cleaning it, but it didn't feel like super stripped or like it was dried out or anything. So I really did like that, especially for it to not necessarily be a clarifying shampoo. It does say that it's like a deep cleaning shampoo, but it doesn't say clarifying. And it definitely gave me a deep clean on my hair. My scalp felt like minty, or feeling like it was like some mint or something in there that was stimulating my scalp, which I liked. Tried to detangle a little bit with the shampoo because there's some shampoos that I've used before that, but with this shampoo it wasn't like that. The conditioner was nice and thick. I used a lot of it. I was trying to be more heavy-handed with the products this time because I noticed when I did the review of the melanin hair care products, I noticed that I didn't use that much of it. I should have used a lot more of the conditioner. So I wanted to definitely give it a fair shake. So I did use a good amount of the conditioner. The conditioner is one of the types that you can just put it in and rinse it right out, or you can leave it in for a little while as a leave-in. Or not a leave-in, leave it in for a little while as a deep conditioner. So that's what I did. I left it on for maybe like 5 or 10 minutes before rinsing it out. It was slightly detangling. It could have been. I've used other products that have a better slip. Also, with the conditioner, like I said, I left it on for a little while, probably like 5 or 10 minutes before rinsing it out, and I was able to get a little bit of detangling, but not as much as I would have liked. But I did like the way that it had my hair feeling. Leave-in, and the leave-in did help with the detangling. I also really like the way that the product line smells. It has like kind of a cologne kind of smell to it, which I like. I like things that have, because usually most hair care products have kind of fruity smells or like clean professional kind of smells, but this had it definitely has a professional product kind of smell to it, more masculine leaning, I would say. Like how if you use any Chi products like Chi Shine Infusion Spray, Chi, it has kind of a masculine kind of smell to it, which I really like. And that's what I noticed with the Taraji products, that they had that similar kind of masculine kind of cologne kind of smell, which I like. I feel like when I sprayed the leave-in on, I put a cap on my head to kind of help it to process a little deeper. I noticed that even after I went to styling and wrapped it up and stuff like that, that it still had that smell to it. Like it wasn't like strong like I sprayed cologne on my hair or anything like that, but it still had remnants of that smell, which I like a lot. If you're not into fragrances, you might not. So I did the twist. I'm about to take them out, see what these twists is looking like. Hopefully it's not ugly. And all I used was the leave-in. I didn't put any gel or anything like that. I never did my hair in a twist out like this. Usually I do a lot of twists, so hopefully it doesn't look too crazy. But yeah, so overall I liked the leave-in. I definitely want to try the other products that she had, the other two products. What I had in my hair really wouldn't have been necessary for me to do, because one of them is something for like if you have braids or something like your scalp is itching. I really didn't have any use for that at the time. And then the other one, the scalp scrub, which I could have used, but I was kind of trying to save some time, so I didn't want to add an extra step. But I definitely will go back and use that and see how I like it. It's not my usual way I do twist out. So as I'm like playing with my hair and fluffing it and stuff, I can still smell the product. And I did my hair about 2 days ago, so I like that. Yeah, I can still smell it. It smells good. I like the way it smells a lot. This is a little trifling twist out I got going on. I'm about to fluff it up, I think. I'm just going through and fluffing my roots out just so you won't see any parts or anything. I'm giving my hair a little bit of shape. As you see, I got baby hairs, girl. Get into that. Get into my baby hairs, bruh. Get into my baby hairs. Yeah, don't look too bad. I definitely probably would do a couple more, maybe like 3 more twists instead of how many I did, just so I could have a little bit more curl definition. But not too bad for some. Like I literally did this in like 1 minute. Not literally in 1 minute. It was more like maybe 10 minutes. Like I really just hurry up and twisted my hair down and called it a day. But this is it. It seems like there's some little particles floating around. I don't know if that's just some dust in the air, if there's any like Like I said, this is just a leave-in. I didn't put anything to hold it. No gel or mousse or anything. Like, this is literally just the leave-in, twisted and dry. Now that's the leave-in. Definitely I probably will get it again because I like the smell of it, and I didn't put anything in it to seal it. I didn't put anything seal the moisture in or anything like that. So literally it's just a product doing its thing, and my hair definitely feels moisturized. It doesn't feel dry at all, especially with me now. I didn't even put oil in my hair when I started taking it out. So Taraji, you did your thing. I heard the first batch of products that you made wasn't hit, so you had to come back a little harder. I see you came back, girl. You came back harder. I'm here for that. First time don't hit, go back to the lab and try it again. Yeah. Yup, this is it. Crazy twist out. But I want to tell you, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate all the love, all the support that I'm getting on this channel. Like, I appreciate the growth and I appreciate the support. And Happy New Year, Happy 2023 to everybody on the channel. I'm so happy. I'm excited for the new year. I got some stuff to show y'all that I've been working on for a while now that I'm really excited for it to be complete. So just stay on the road with me, stay on this journey with me. I'm excited to show y'all what's coming up, what's new for the new year. Stay blessed, stay positive. I just appreciate all the love. But until next time, y'all, peace.